everyone, for your information, we are expecting almost full for this flight. Now, to expedite the boarding process, may we request guests to kindly seat immediately to your assigned seat with you to passengers or passing through the aisle. Also, please displace your small bags under the seat.
Refueling completed.
Please disarm all four doors.
Nasunsig ka na sa gitna. Saan man ako dili? Sakinan. Wala mo ang sakinan dili ang sakinan dili. Wala ka yung abot ka sa sakinan.
Once again, for everyone's information, we are expecting almost full for this flight. Now, to expedite the boarding process, may we request guests to kindly seat immediately to your assigned seat. To give way to passengers or passengers. Also, please place your small bags under the seat in front of you and reserve the overhead bins for big bags and trolleys only. Please do follow your seat number indicated in your boarding passes. Muli po, pagsunod bang ang kinalagang upuan na nakalagay sa inyong mga boarding pass. And if you're seated by the emergency exit row seat, kindly place all your belongings, including the school bags or belt bags, on the overhead bins above you. This is for strict compliance. Thank you. And may we request everyone to kindly take on all those items, especially hard objects, such as flasks, numbers, and electronic devices inside your baggage before stowing it in the overhead bin. In line with this, please take caution in securing your carry-on luggage and when opening the bins to prevent items from falling out. Thank you. Muli po, pinakikiusapan po namin ang mga panauhin na ilagay sa loob ng mga daladalahan ng anumang bagay na maaaring mahulog tulad ng flasks, numbers, at electronic devices bago po ilagay sa unang kompartamento. Maraming salamat po. And for flight information, this is flight 5J967. Once again, flight 5J967 bound for Davao. Welcome aboard.
Welcome aboard Cebu Pacific. Fly to more fun. Cebu Pacific is certified under the IATA Operational Safety Audit, or IUSA, the highest standards for safety in the global airline industry.
Kita pilih. Ito ba? Muna sa inyo. Bangka na tayo tayo. Tama. Ay, kinagagawa tapos sukuan. Diba? Alam mo nagpahinga pa.